Good morning, kids. Let's start the second part of the chapter number 5. And in first part, we were talking about the mixture. And the picture which is on the screen, this is a example. This is also an example of the mixture. Aerated drinks. These are the mixture of the water, sugar, carbon dioxide, etc. And other example also I told you air. It is also a mixture of the different type of the gases as the nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, dust particle, water, vapors, etc. Then all these mixture, they have some important properties in them. Today we will start our topic with the properties of mixture. The first is the composition of the mixture is not fixed. That is, the component may be present in any of the ratio. The ratio of the component is not fixed. The ratio may be of in any of the ratio. I have to change the color. Okay. Then second is each of the component of the mixture retain its characteristic property. Suppose uh, we have the salad. Suppose we have salad with us. Now I want to show you the picture of the salad. Now see this. In this picture, you can see salad is a mixture of the different type of the fruit. You can see in this picture, strawberry is there, grapes are there, apple and black apples are also there. Then different type of the fruits are in it. This is an example of mixture. Then in this mixture, it is not fixed the how much amount of the apple, how much amount of the grape, how much amount of the strawberry will be there, and it depend on the availability. Now the first character which I was telling you, the component may be in any of the ratio. Then second is I was telling you the mixture retain its property. Now grapes, you all know the taste of the grapes. They are they are citrus fruit, so they are sour in taste. And apple, you know that will be the sweet, and the strawberry, it also have its different taste. Then the taste of the fruit will not change, they will have their original taste. It means their property will retain. Okay, the next is the component can be separated. Component can be separated. You easily separate the grapes, apple, strawberry, etc. आप सबको अलग कर सकते हो, है ना? Mixture do not have a fixed melting and boiling point also. It is also a property of the mixture. Okay. Now next, types of the mixture. Then mixtures on the basis of the distribution of the component in the mixture. मिक्सचर में कंपोनेंट क्या क्या हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट, या कैसे वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते हैं, है ना? द मिक्सचर मे बी ऑफ टू टाइप. द फर्स्ट is the homogeneous mixture and second is called heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now see one by one. First is homogeneous mixture. uh, in this picture, this is a picture of a cup of tea. Then can you identify the tea particles and the water particles, or maybe the sugar will also be in it? तो क्या आप इनको अलग अलग कर सकते हो? क्या इनको आप अलग अलग देख सकते हो? No, you cannot identify its component, right? The mixture looks the same throughout the every sip of throughout the every sip, right? Then you cannot identify its component with our naked eye. Then this type of the mixture is called homogeneous mixture, right? The distribution of the particles throughout the mixture is same, or we cannot identify them, है ना? Then the uniformity of distribution is there, right? Such a mixture in which all its components are evenly distributed throughout the mixture, they are, that type of the mixture are called homogeneous mixture. Salt and water, if you are making the salt solution, then you cannot identify the salt inside the water. It will be uniform, and the solution will have the uniformity. You cannot identify the salt particle and the water molecules. And एयर इज ऑल्सो अ मिक्सचर, इट इज ऑल्सो होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर। क्या आपको अलग अलग गैसेज नजर आती हैं उसमें? नहीं नजर आती ना, दो सब एक सा लगता है। दैन इट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ द होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर। शुगर इन वाटर, शुगर व्हेन यू डिजॉल्व इन द वाटर यू स्टर द सॉल्यूशन, एंड जब शुगर डिजॉल्व हो जाती है देन यू कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई द शुगर पार्टिकल एंड द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, राइट? देन दिस टाइप ऑफ द मिक्सचर इज कॉल्ड होमोजीनियस mixture. Okay, now next is heterogeneous mixture. Next is heterogeneous mixture. Take a spoonful of the soil and mix it in the glass of water, right? Stir the mixture and leave it undisturbed for some time. You will see that the heavier particle will settle down after some time. There are more soil particle at some places and less on the other. In other word, we can say uneven distribution is there, uniformity is not there. You can see in the upper side, यहाँ पे भी देखो कुछ जो lighter particle होंगे ऊपर हैं, जो heavy particle होंगे they will settle down at the bottom, and बीच में the dust particle or the that soil particle are less. Then there is uneven distribution of the soil particle. This type of the mixture in which its components are not distributed evenly, that type of solution is called that type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Getting? That type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Any problem in it? Okay, example, fruit salad. You can identify each and every component. हर component आपको अलग अलग दिख जाता है. Then next example, one more example is this mixture of the oil and water. You can identify layer of the oil above the water, है ना? ये mix up नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन फिर भी एक साथ है. Then this is a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now next. Now see, this is in the form of the chart. And see once again, matter, it is divided into the two part, pure substances and impure substances. Impure substances are called mixture, right? Then first is pure and impure or mixture. Pure means only one type of the only one substance present, no impurity, दूसरा कुछ भी इसमें present नहीं है. And in the mixture more than one type of the substance is are present in the it. Now pure substances also can be divided into the two part, elements and compounds. Compounds, these cannot be divided into the simpler substance, and these are the pure substance these are made up of only one type of atom, or we can say molecules, atoms, right? Next, compound, these made from element chemically bounded together. It means when one or two elements they join together, chemically combine together, then compounds are formed. Okay, then come to the next side, mixture, two type, homogeneous and heterogeneous. I told you homogeneous mixture in which substance completely mixed, or even distribution, even or we can say uniform distribution of the component will be in this case, and here uneven distribution will be there. You can separate or you can see each component, but here you cannot separate the components. इसमें आप components को अलग नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि इसमें आप components को अलग कर सकते हो, अलग से वो आपको दिखाई देते हैं, right? Okay, then this is enough for today, and thanks for watching.